Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Hallows Night Magic Bundle, and this is the spooky little card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to be using Hallows Night Magic Bundle, and we're going to be using this, the bigger spider, and Happy Halloween. So we'll start with our stamping. I have that piece mounted on clear block E, and I'm going to come in with my Memento Tuxedo black ink, and I'm just going to ink it up really good. And then I have a piece of gray granite. So just like that. And I have a piece of Whisper White and our spider, and that's mounted on clear block B. So just like that, and that's okay that I got a little bit there because we're going to cut it out. So I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Cut and Emboss, and I have the layers down for cutting first. And then I have a piece of the Magic in the Night Designer Series paper. Let me go ahead and scoot this up. Well, let me just cut that first because I don't want to get it, not have it cut all the way. Okay, so let's put the spider on by himself. Look at how easy this runs through. Let's check that spider out. Looks good. And I have a piece of basic black and the COBWEBS 3D embossing folder. So I'm just going to line it up here, and then I'm going to switch out my plates. So you just need 1 and 4 for the 3D embossing. All right. That is all that we are cutting and embossing. Look at that. It's so beautiful. And you can use it either way. I love the 3D embossing folders. All right, so we can start putting this card together. I'm going to take this piece and get the Happy Halloween. And actually, I think I'm going to stamp that in Highland Heather. Gorgeous Grape. So I'm going to stamp that in Gorgeous Grape. I really like the purples for Halloween. All right, so just like that. Now, our card base is gray granite as well. And it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So I was planning on using this metallic mesh. I think I'm going to, let's see, yeah. So I'm just going to cut it. I'm going to bring in regular tape, and I think I'm going to fold that in half. Alright, so just like that, I'm going to come in with my silicone sheet and my Stampin' Seal. Alright, so just like that, I'm going to bring this back in. And use that as the mat here. And then I'm going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Yeah. I think it's going to be easier to put the dimensionals where I want them on the card rather than on the back of the piece. Alright, so just like that. And I'm going to come in and put, well, you know what? I'm going to get a mini and I have the little mini black ones. So I'm going to have him crawling just like that. And then, because I use the gorgeous grape, I'm going to come in with the iridescent pearls. And see if we can't dress this up a little bit. Okay, let's see, I think I'll just put one right there. And one right there. Alright, so there you have it, a quick and simple Halloween card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Also, if you have ordered from me in the last 6 months, you should have already received your catalog. Thanks for watching. Bye!